Hello, amazing artists. So today we are going to finish our ponds and we are going to create them similar to how we created the bird sculpture. So you can think about how we created our bird and made it three-dimensional. Does anybody know how? So we cut it out of paper and we folded the paper. And we're also going to do a new technique today where we're going to roll up the paper and it's going to pop out a little bit more. So let's get started. We are going to take our blue water, our beautiful clear blue water. So we are going to trace on a big circle. This is going to represent our pond. If you want to make your pond a little bit uneven on the sides, you can always do that. So here is an example of an oval shape and a circular pond. So then after that, we are going to start to create the body of our frogs. So we are going to start to create the body of our frogs. So as you can see, this is a final version of a frog. The body is a big oval shape. So if you have an object that's an oval that you would like to trace, you can do this. But I'd like to see you try to draw an oval on the paper in the spot that you would like to create the frog's skin out of. So if you want it to be darker, you can choose a darker section. If you like an area over here, you can choose it. So I'm going to choose it right here. It should be about the size of a fist, maybe. And now I'm going to take scissors and cut this piece out. So hold the scissors away from you when you're using scissors. And when we're done cutting this out, we are going to use the rest of the paper, so don't throw it out yet. Almost there. And then we are going to need 4 rectangle pieces. So I'm just cutting off 4 lines in the page. And like we create movement in our bird, we are also going to create movement in our frog. These are animals that move. Now with each paper, we are going to fold it up. And then open it. Now flip over your frog. Take off the cap of your glue. You're going to put it in 4 places. So with each little corner of the oval, you are going to put some glue. Make sure you put the cap of the glue back on. And you are going to stick your legs. And make sure that the white side of the paper is faced the same way. It's got its legs so it can hop. Now we are going to add some eyes. Paper and draw some little circles.
2 of them. And then a line through. So it's 2 circles that are small for the eyes with a line through. And now we can create our eyeballs. If you don't want the frog's eyes to look closed, you don't need that line there. You can put a full dot in the center. It's up to you. So here are another, you can try out a couple pairs of eyes and see what ones you like. Then once you have your eyes, then put a little bit of glue on the back. And there's the face of our little frog. So you can add a little bit of a mouth if you want. If you want to make a smile, I'm going to make mine smile. Now we are going to create our tongue. So we are going to use a different technique. So we just folded up paper to make it 3-dimensional. But now we are going to have to roll up the paper to make it 3-dimensional. So we're going to make the tongue. So we're going to need to cut out a small rectangle piece, and you could color it with any crayons that you have. I'm going to make mine pink. You can make yours whatever color you like. And then we are going to roll this up, and we are going to glue it to the back of our frog by its mouth, because it's a long, skinny tongue that we made observations of in day 1. So now we are putting it together, and voila. The next step is going to be creating our lily pads that the frogs can sit on. So we are going to start by creating circles, and these are going to be a little bit smaller than the frog circles that we created. So you can trace a circle shape, or you can create a circle shape on your own, but make a circle. And then once we make a circle, we're going to make a triangle in that circle with the point in the center. So it'll look kind of like a little Pac-Man shape. Then we are going to start cutting it out. Our lily pads are completed. So now you should have all the pieces to create your own pond and decorate it how you like. You might even put it outside and put flowers around it, however you want to decorate your pond, and then send me a photo of your work. I hope you have fun today, and let me know if you have any questions about how to create your frog.